Hello everyone! In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a form in Excel that looks just like a website. Clean, modern, and interactive using Excel formatting tools, shapes, and some customization. You'll be surprised how much you can do with just a few Excel tools. This system can be adapted for many tasks like inventory management, expense tracking, employee information, project management, and loads more. We're going to start with a new Excel workbook. And in the interest of time, start by adjusting your column widths to create a centered layout. Merge cells at the top to form a header section. This will be your navigation bar. Start by renaming this sheet Item Form, and I'll right-click and change the tab to your preferred color. Add a heading New Item Form, and the input fields, which are Date, Item, Quantity, Price, and Notes. Let's apply some formatting to make it look like a form. I'm going to center the heading across the selection as opposed to merge field. Let's give it your preferred color. We'll make it wider, the font bigger, center it vertically, and let's make it white. The rest of the form is going to have a light gray fill color. Make it this pale shade of gray. And then the fields that I want to enter data into are going to have white fill, and also add a border in dark blue, and we'll just make it on the bottom. Then click OK. Let's make the Notes field bigger. We're going to wrap the text and top align it. We could actually make these rows a bit bigger, just to make them feel a bit more spacious to look great. Let's get rid of the grid lines on the View tab and deselect. Now go to the Insert tab and insert a shape, and use this rounded corner rectangle. Draw it around my form, roughly. Then get rid of the shape fill, and for the outline, go in and change the weight to the thick outline, and then change it to the same shade of light gray. We'll change the radius. Let's give it a 3D effect with a shadow. And that will just make it look like the form is sitting off the page. I'll just resize it so that it's the same size as the cells. And that's it! You now have a fully functional website-style form in Excel. In my next video tutorial, I will connect the data to automatic reports to get insights into your database to demonstrate how it works. This same system can be adapted for many tasks like inventory management, expense tracking, employee information, project management, and loads more. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel design tips.